Travel up. It's Deetra with Deetra Talks Travel, and today I'm going to share with you some of the things that I do whenever I am traveling solo or just in general whenever I am staying in a resort. This is one of the common questions that I get from my female travelers that are traveling alone or even when they're traveling in pairs. They want to know what they can do to make themselves feel more secure once they are at a resort. So this is what I do. Before I enter my room and relax my mind, I am the detector, the investigator. I put on my gloves. Just kidding. But I do these very common, very quick sweeps of my room. I will walk into the room and check all closet doors. Just open them up, make sure there's nothing going on in there, no one there that didn't help put in on that vacation because you know it wasn't cheap. I will check the bathroom area. From there, I generally will go to the balcony because you know you gotta have a balcony. Like who's going on vacation without the balcony? Also very important is I check the locks on the patio doors. Make sure that they do lock, and when they are locked, make sure the door does not open. Outside of that, the only other thing that I do, I always walk with a doorstop. You can get simple door stops for $3. Mine's a little more robust in the fact that it is also an alarm. So it has an on-off switch and it will alarm in the event that the door is opened at any point. This has a low, medium, high sound. High is definitely what I generally use if I'm in the shower or if I'm out on the balcony. I will put it on high so that I can hear the alert no matter how far I am. I generally keep it on low when I'm sleeping because this thing will startle the crap out of you if you're asleep and it goes off on medium or high. So that's it. Sweep your room. Look behind doors, look behind showers. I don't care how silly it sounds. It makes me feel much better, and it will make you feel better to know that you looked over your room and you didn't find anything out of place, out of order, broken, expired, or tampered with. And then protect yourself even more with this handy dandy doorstop. You can get these at Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link of where you can purchase these in the description of the video. If you like, subscribe, and share this video, I'm gonna pick 2 lucky winners and I'm gonna give this to. I say purchase them. They come 3 in a pack. You will be your friend's best friend if you purchase 3, and give one to each of your friends. Hey, we gotta look out for each other. Keep everybody safe. Subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm gonna share some more tips on things that I do that makes me feel a lot more safe, secure, and relaxed whenever I'm vacationing. Thanks for watching the video. Happy traveling.